Welcome guys, welcome back, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and today guys I'm here to share another simple breakfast idea with you. This one is perfect any time of day, and once you see this blender jar you know what time is it. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you how to make oats punch. Okay guys, so there we go, some oats in the blender. Okay, fantastic. And today I'll be using the redless peanut. Okay guys, some peanut. Okay, this one is pretty easy. Okay guys, and here you want to go ahead and put some vanilla extract, some cinnamon, some nutmeg. Okay guys, alright guys, then to this we want to go ahead and add some crushed ice. Okay, alright, ice. We're gonna add some condensed milk, some water, and we're just gonna go ahead guys and put this to blend. Okay, yes guys, yes, and this one is ready. So you know what time it is guys, it's time for us to pour this in our glass. Wow, look how beautiful that is guys, this is amazing. And guys, you have made it to the end of another video. Please enjoy, and thank you so much for watching another video, and I will catch you in another one pretty soon. Goodbye.